pants, you know, for winter and stuff, and I forgot the bed. Oh, sorry. No problem. We decided to go and see a beach. We decided to go and see the beach. I mean, it's not bad. Very long. We might actually go there tomorrow, or as we are walking around, it seems like very nice. Hopefully this is not illegal in Norway. Running the red light or walking the red light. We bought some of these frozen fruits, so let's try to prepare them right now. I don't know, might be interesting. I might actually not include in the video, I might actually include in the video, I don't know, but yeah, let's do that. I bought this. Destroy the mashed potatoes. This is the meatballs and sauce, and this is the cranberry sauce. Let's go. According to the instructions, you just boil water, then you just put the bags, obviously without the sauce, inside. You just simmer for 10 minutes and then it should be ready. So wish me luck. So I'm just boiling the water over here and then transferring it over here. So the water was boiling, I transferred it over here. Well, right now it's boiling over here, so in a few moments I'll be able to put this inside. So well, I focus more on preparing than recording, and this is how it looks like. I wouldn't say it's like very bad, so I'm just going to eat it. Good morning from Svalbard. We'll go to the breakfast, then head to the airport because we're actually flying home. But the journey is going to be very interesting because we have 4 transfers. Last view of the mountains, and let's enter. It's like 2:30. First flight is going to be to Tromsø, then to Oslo, and then we'll head to London. So we just landed at Tromsø airport. We had to pass the security check and passport check again. We are now boarding a flight to Oslo, which is going to be the second flight right now. The first flight went quite well, so hopefully the second one does as well. After some time, we arrived at the Oslo Gardermoen airport. We'll be here for roughly 2 hours, and then we are off to London, Stansted, where we will spend our night. We are now waiting at the airport. Over there is our gate. I'm eating an apple that I bought in Tromsø. A bit sour, but it's alright. Another 2 hours have passed and we've made it to London Stansted airport. We'll probably sleep over here. So this is our accommodation for this day, I would say, for this night. This corner and Stansted airport. I'm very comfortable sleeping on this, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So we're not sleeping where we thought we would be because they closed the area off. So yeah, let's try to find something. This box looks fine. No, we cannot probably. It's emergency exit, so it has to be clear. So third time changing the location where we are spending the night, because this gives much more space. So this is going to be the bed for today. Hopefully I can fall asleep for a bit. Well, see you in the morning. Good morning from Stansted airport. It's 5:32. Total I slept like 2.5 hours, maybe 3. A bit cold, sleeping over here. Well, just tell me how big the airport has to be if it has a shuttle service to the gates. After additional 2 hours in the plane, we made it to Brno, Czech Republic. This is the airport. Right now the only thing left to do is to ride a bus for 3 hours to get home, but that's not going to be any issue because, well, I mean, we have got all the time in the world. It was definitely a very unique experience having to transfer 3 times, but yeah, I would say well worth it.